Hello everybody, Mountain RC here. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and as always, I appreciate all of the support. In today's video, we are featuring the maiden flight of the FMS P47 1.4 meter Razorback. Now this is a plane that I purchased. I really love P47s. I did my own little custom paint to it. I changed the stripe that goes down the top from green to a black. Added a clear coat. She looks beautiful. It looks like the one that's currently out at all the air shows flying around currently. I really loved it, but like all things, I have to let some of it go. So I sold this to my brother-in-law who really wanted it. So this is his maiden flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Now this is just a quick taxi test just to kind of give you an idea of the paint scheme, what I did about the black stripe across the top instead of the green that was there. I think it looks really sweet, ties everything in together. It looks beautiful. So get ready for the maiden. Perfect. The beauty about flying out here at these salt flats is that everywhere is the runway. You can take off from wherever you want and you can land from wherever you want. Although you got to keep in mind other people that are here, you have a whole open area to test out new planes that you want to maiden and not have to worry about a smaller runway at your field, just to work out the kinks. Because when we bring it back to our field, you know, we want to make sure that we're going to be able to land correctly on our runway, because there is no room for error on our runway at our field that we fly out on a regular basis. So it's good to come out here and trim out and figure out how these planes are going to fly and land before we take them home to our home fields. It looks like he's got it trimmed out the way that he likes it, so he's just going to go ahead and just kind of get a feel for how she feels with the drop tanks and everything on it. Doesn't look like there's a problem.
Very nice low pass if you don't mind.
This plane with this terrain just looks absolutely amazing. A warbird flying over the desert, there's just something about how beautiful that looks.
She's got a good presence in the air, man. She just looks so good.
Yeah, she does.
Especially with the sun hitting her the way it's hitting it right now.
Although this plane is a 6S bird, she's not the fastest thing in the world, but she's a P47, and sometimes you just want to go to the field and fly something that just looks scale and fly at scale, and it looks amazing. And that 6S battery, 5,000 milliamps, is giving you a lot of flight time to really enjoy it. It's not always about how fast can she go and what kind of maneuvers she can do. Sometimes it's just admiring the view.
Oh, that looks so good across the mountains like that.
for a second. Does look pretty badass across the mountains.
Yeah. Looks really good. You still have 3 minutes, huh? That's crazy. That's awesome, though. How about a loop?
A loop?
Yeah. Nice. Maybe just need some more expo in it or something. JC's got a new favorite warbird.
Well, that'll do it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed the flight. If you have any questions about the FMS P47 Razorback 1.4 meter, please leave it in the comments below. I will get back to you if you have any questions about how I set this plane up and how we're flying it. Leave it in the comments. I will get back to you. I just want to say thank you for watching. I really appreciate everybody that stops by every single week and checks out my videos and my channel. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mountain RC.